Get ready with me as I style this beautiful two-piece embellished dress. The shimmer, the vibe and the glow this dress is gonna give me. I am obsessed. Just can't wait to wear it. So let's get dressed. Now this shade of dress can be paired with nude heels, and if you want to create that contrast vibe, so you can add some golden accessories with golden heels. As for me, I have this meshed pumps which is a perfect match with this dress to give it a soft glam look. At the same time, I have this beautiful burgundy maroonish heel, and I think these two will look perfect because I'm planning to create more of a contrast look, and I think this beautiful lady would be a perfect match for this dress. I'm matching my outfit with this beautiful golden heart-shaped earrings. Finally, I brought some hand accessories. Lastly, I'm going to match a beautiful hand clutch with this beautiful embellished dress, a perfect embellished hand clutch with this perfect embellished dress. This dress definitely gives me that celebrity look, a celebrity vibe, isn't it? Guys, if you like this look, kindly let me know in the comments. Next, I'm going to try the burgundy heels. I'm going to match it with a burgundy bag just to give more of a contrast look to this dress. So guys, this is the look number 1, a soft nude glam look, and now I'll show you the look number 2. Wearing this beautiful lady. Oh my god. This is something. Oh my gosh. This is something, guys. Can you see? Oh my gosh. I mean, pairing this beautiful burgundy bag, a perfect shade for my heels. Also, this particular bag and heel gives me the exact contrast I was looking for with this dress. I'm using Chanel 05. So guys, this is the look number 2. I hope you liked the video. Kindly like and subscribe.